Upgrade your EV charging experience with the Feyree EV Charger from Aliexpress. This smart wallbox delivers fast and efficient charging with options for 7.6 kilowatts, 11 kilowatts, or 22 kilowatts, supporting up to 32 amps for maximum performance. Designed for convenience, it features a Type 2 cable and IEC 62196-2 socket for universal compatibility. Equipped with an intelligent chip, the charger monitors voltage, current, charging time, and power consumption to ensure safe and optimized charging. Multiple protection systems include lightning-proof, leakage protection, overvoltage, overheat, and overcurrent safeguards, plus an IP65 waterproof rating and flame-resistant materials for ultimate safety. Control your charging remotely with built-in Wi-Fi and the Tuya Smart App. Schedule charging times, adjust current settings, and receive notifications when your vehicle is fully charged, all from your smartphone. The charger also supports RFID card functionality for secure access and offers LED indicators for real-time status updates. With adjustable current settings from 8 amps to 32 amps, this EVSE is perfect for home or commercial use. Upgrade to smarter, faster, and safer charging with the Feyree EV Charger from Aliexpress. Order now and power your electric vehicle with confidence.